What if your lack of confidence isn't who you are, but what you keep doing every day? Most people think confidence is something you're born with, like some people just have it, and others don't. But that's not true. Confidence isn't about appearance, how you look, or fitting a certain image. It comes from within. It's built quietly, in small moments, through daily habits you barely even notice. Think about it. You hesitate before speaking. You replay conversations in your head. You compare your life to someone else's highlight reel. And slowly, without even realizing it, your self-esteem starts to shrink. Not because you're not good enough, but because your habits are teaching your mind that you aren't. The truth is, low confidence isn't random. It's practiced, but the good news is, that means it can be changed. A lot of it starts with overthinking, turning small situations into big doubts. Instead of waiting to feel ready, try acting anyway. Confidence doesn't come first. Action does. Then there's comparison, measuring your life against people you don't fully know. It's exhausting and it steals your focus. Instead, bring your attention back to your own progress. The only person you need to be better than is who you were yesterday. Another big one is seeking validation, waiting for approval from others before you feel good about yourself. But real confidence grows when you start validating yourself. Even small wins matter more than you think. And then there's that quiet voice in your head, the one that criticizes everything you do. Over time, that voice becomes your reality. So try speaking to yourself differently. Not perfectly, but kindly, like someone you actually respect. Avoiding discomfort is another habit that keeps confidence low. Staying in your comfort zone might feel safe, but it also keeps you stuck. Growth happens when you do things that feel unfamiliar, even slightly uncomfortable. Not setting boundaries can also drain your confidence. Saying yes when you really mean no, just to keep the peace. But every time you do that, you're teaching yourself that your needs come second. Confidence grows when you start protecting your time and energy. And finally, the people around you matter more than you think. If you're constantly surrounded by negativity or doubt, it will affect how you see yourself. So choose environments that support your growth, even if that means spending more time on your own. Confidence isn't something you wait for, it's something you build, slowly, by changing what you tolerate, what you repeat, and what you believe about yourself. Start small. Even one shift today can change how you see yourself tomorrow. And maybe you're not becoming someone new. You're just becoming who you were always meant to be.